My name is Olivier and I wanted to give you a brief introduction on how to connect block dots with Figma. On the left you can see I have the Figma project open in the Figma desktop app, which is mandatory. And you can see here is like a very simple element where you can just have like a text element and like a bar within the bar. On the right you can see I have the block dots project already open and the potentiometer connected where you can see how I change it. What I want to do, I want to map the value of the bar and the text over here from the potentiometer onto my Figma project. So what I do is like, first I connect a new component, and in this case, I want to connect my Figma integration component. The integration component obviously doesn't need a slot, so you can just connect it. Now you see over here that we have the Figma component, and when you click here, you see all the exposed nodes, and at the moment there are none, and if Figma is connected or not. What I will do now here is I open my plugin, and I will open the blokdots plugin. As you can see here, the blokdots plugin in itself should first look like this. You see a connected symbol, and apart from that, there's nothing exposed over here. So what we need to do is we need to let blokdots know which elements of our Figma project we're actually able to manipulate. So in this case, I want to just have the inner bar. So I select the inner bar and say expose current selection to blokdots. As you can see, we have the bar element over here with the ID 18:5, and over here it's the same one. In addition to that, I want to just expose my text field. Great. Now over here, we can use these elements that we have here and actually map them over there. So that what I will do is here, select an add map card and map my potentiometer from like 0 to 270, which is the full range of the potentiometer, to my Figma, and over here select the layer that I want to have, and it's the bar, and I want to use the width, and I just know these values from 0 to 500. Add the card, start the project, and now if I'm in here and I rotate my potentiometer, you can see how this immediately adjusts in Figma. A small note is this mostly works only in the view mode. If you want to use it somewhere else, like in the prototype mode, there's like a hack around it, but you can read more about this in our documentation. Let me add another mapping card. I say potentiometer again for the same values on Figma on the bar, but this time I want to change its color, and I want to change it from like a red to a green. Let's put it like that. Add the card, project update itself, and now if I rotate it, you see how I have these two elements at the same time changing. Now let's do one more. I add a card, but this time a when-then card, and when my potentiometer is changing, then the Figma should set text of text, or rather like display current value of potentiometer in a percentage, including the unit symbol, so like in here the percent symbol, in text. Add card, rotate it, and you see here immediately how we get the values in Figma and have like a live mapping. And that's the basic introduction of this one. Thank you.